Pranayam is one of the part in Ashtanga Yoga wherein we are trying to regulate our breath, and by regulation of breath, because breathing is automatic, you cannot regulate our breath. So the purpose of regulation of breath is, by regulation of breath we are trying to regulate the things which is normally not we cannot regulate. For example, breathing we cannot regulate our thoughts also, we cannot regulate many of our habit. So by practicing pranayam, our purpose is to regulate the things which is beyond our normal regulation capability. So if we practice pranayam, then we can regulate our breath, we can regulate our thoughts, we can regulate our mind status, we can regulate our happiness or whatever feeling comes inside, we can regulate our emotions. So that is the purpose of pranayam. So this we do by the action what we have to do by regulation of breath. So we'll do that one. So for doing the pranayam, we can sit any of the comfortable position, and pranayam we can do anywhere. Okay, there is no need to have a space like what we think that we cannot do in office. In office also, when we are sitting on our seat, so while sitting also we can do pranayam. No need to that we should be sitting in Vajrasan or Padmasan or Sukhasan. In any position which is comfortable to us, in that position sitting, we can do pranayam. Close our eyes and focus on our breath. Sit in any of comfortable position. Keep your fingers in chin mudra, that is Gyan mudra, index finger and thumb finger touching to each other. Your hand on your knees. Focus on your breath. Focus on tip of your nose. Normal breathing. Normal breathing. Now deep breathing. So breathe in from nose and breathe out from mouth. So deep breathing without making any sound. When breathing in, your chest should come forward and upside, and when breathing out, your stomach should go inside and chest also come inside. Deliberately do this movement. When we are doing breathing, so inside our mind we should think that all the issues, all the problem, all the challenges, all the shortcomings, whatever there inside me, While breathing out, I am throwing all the issue, all the challenge, all the worries, all the problem, whatever I feel is there in my life. So while breathing out, we are throwing all those things outside of our body. So that kind of thought should be there inside our mind. And when we are breathing inside, so that time we should think all the good thing around us, around me, is coming inside from our nose, and it is entering through the windpipe in our neck, going inside the lung, and it is spreading from lung, it goes to heart, and along with blood it is spreading in all parts of our body. So all the good things coming inside me and all the issues there in the body, so that thought is pushing out all our issue from our body, and it is bringing all the negative, all the wrong, all the issue inside me to the lungs, along with the not good air. And this thought from heart it goes to lungs, and from lungs we are throwing out from our mouth. So when we are throwing out, we should open our mouth, and without making any sound, we should deliberately throw all the issue, all the challenges, all the shortcomings, problem with us, so throw out. So this kind of thought should be there inside mind. So good thing is going inside, and it is pushing out all the problem from our inside our body to outside. This thought should be there. With every breath, this thought should go. So we'll practice with the thought. Deep breath from nose. From your mind's eye, see and experience how the air going inside your lungs, and from there it is going to heart, and from heart to all parts of your body, and then it is pushing out all the issues back to the heart, and from heart lungs, and from lungs we are throwing out from our. So this thought should be there inside our mind, and we should see the how the good thing is pushing out from our body. So this we should able to visualize, we should able to see all those things while doing the breath. So need practice. So we will focus. Okay, so for some time, no sound, just focus on this thought and do the breath. Last time. Take deep breath. Air is going inside the lung and heart. From heart it is going all parts of body and all the negative things, negative thoughts. And so it is pushing out from our body, from the mouth. By regular practicing of pranayam with this thought, you will experience your body is becoming heavy and you will feel that your body is contracting. The reason is all the issue, all the challenges, all the wrong thing inside us, they keep lot of stress, lot of tension inside our body. So all our body inside, they feel that there is lot of trouble, so they are in tension. But when with this thought we are releasing all the wrong thing and we are throwing out, so our body feel quite relaxed. So all muscles, all inside muscles, our mind, our thoughts, our all body feels that there is no work, so they get relaxed. So relax means you will feel heavy, and with continuous practice this heaviness will change to lightness because there is now no issue. So all the worry related to the negative things and negative thought will change to happiness. Initially, because of worry, you will feel heavy, and after some time, all the worry gone, you will feel light, you will feel very refreshing. Now we will do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, 3 stages. Breathe in first, then stomach muscle relax, then third, suddenly with jerk pull your stomach muscle inside and throw air out from the nose. So focus is most important. It should be always on your stomach muscle. All these 3 stages should happen quickly and your focus should be on your stomach muscles. So we will do ourselves. Count yourself 10 times. So we'll start. Kuru. Breathe in. Relax. Now same thing we'll do 20 times. Focus always on the stomach muscle. Okay, Kuru, breathe in. relax. Deep breathe and breathe out from mouth. Keep close your eyes. Now we will do Sitali. In Sitali, we will turn our tongue like a tube and breathe in from the tube and breathe out from nose. Kuru, breathe in. Slow and deep breathing without making any sound. Okay, relax. Normal breathing. Keep close your eyes. Now we will do Bhramari. Bhramari. So we'll make humming sound from our mouth and nose. So in this case, from our both the hand, thumb finger, we'll close our ears and we'll keep our index finger and middle finger over the eyes, and from other fingers we'll close our nose and put the small finger on the chin and do the breathing. And while breathing out, we have to make sound, humming sound like Bhramari. The sound is and when we are making this sound, so complete inside our head, complete vibration should be there. Complete vibration. Our teeth should be touching to each other. There should be vibration between the teeth. There should be vibration inside our mind. So that vibration should be there. So put from your thumb finger, close your both the ears and from the ring finger, index finger and middle finger, close your eyes. Keep these two fingers over your eyebrow and ring finger on nose and small finger on chin. And then we will do this sound. Close, nose, chin. So deep breathe in. Again, deep breath. Again, deep breath. Deep breath. And relax. Keep your eyes closed. Rub your palms. Warm up the muscles around the eyes. Again, rub your palms. Warm up the muscles around your eyes. And do the massage of the muscles around your eyes by rotation in one direction, opposite direction. Press and release, press and release, press and release. Open your eyes inside your hand and slowly move down your fingers. I hope you liked today's session.